Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're taking a look at Microsoft stock, and examining both the news and chart data. Microsoft has been making headlines recently with their aggressive investment in AI, particularly with their Copilot platform. Copilot aims to automate tasks, which could significantly impact productivity across various industries, a potential boon for Microsoft's future growth. Beyond AI, Microsoft announced a $60 billion share buyback program, signaling confidence in their long-term prospects and potentially driving up the stock price. However, the stock price has stalled recently after a surge in early October, leaving many wondering what's next. Let's dive into the charts to see if we can glean any insights from the technical side. The first chart we'll look at is the one-day chart. This chart provides a broader perspective on MSFT's price movements over time. On the daily chart, we can observe a clear upward trend throughout 2023 and into 2024. The stock price has been consistently breaking out of resistance levels, indicating strong buying pressure. However, a recent pullback suggests a potential period of consolidation or even a reversal. The stock seems to have formed a head and shoulders pattern, which is often a bearish reversal pattern. If this pattern plays out, it could lead to a significant drop in price. It's crucial to watch the neckline of the pattern, which is located around the $415 level. A break below this neckline would confirm the bearish reversal and signal a potential downtrend. It's important to note that news and events could influence this pattern and potentially invalidate it. For example, if Microsoft announces a major product release or surpasses earnings expectations, the stock price could surge and potentially break above the resistance level. Let's take a closer look at the one-hour chart to gain a finer understanding of recent price movements. The one-hour chart will provide a more granular view of recent trading activity and help us identify potential breakout or breakdown points. Switching to the one-hour chart, we can see a series of higher highs and higher lows, suggesting a bullish trend. However, the recent pullback has been relatively steep and has pushed the price below the 20-day moving average. This could indicate a short-term bearish trend. We can observe a potential support level at $415, which aligns with the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern we saw on the daily chart. If the price breaks below this level, it would be a bearish signal and could trigger a further decline. On the other hand, if the price bounces off the support level and closes above the 20-day moving average, it would be a bullish signal and could indicate a continuation of the upward trend. To get a better sense of how Microsoft has been trading recently, let's narrow our view to the 15-minute chart. Examining the 15-minute chart, we can see some short-term volatility. The price has been bouncing back and forth between the $415 and $420 levels, suggesting a range-bound market. This suggests that the market is unsure about the direction of Microsoft in the short term. However, we can observe that the price has been consolidating above the $415 support level. This suggests that there might be potential for a bullish breakout, especially if the price breaks above the $420 resistance level. It's important to note that this is a short-term perspective, and the overall direction of Microsoft could still be bearish based on the daily chart's head and shoulders pattern. Before we wrap up, let's recap some key price levels to watch. Looking forward, the key price levels to watch are the $415 support and $420 resistance levels. If the price breaks below $415, it would be a bearish signal and could trigger a further decline. A break above $420 would be a bullish signal and could indicate a continuation of the upward trend. The 20-day moving average is another important level to watch. A close above the 20-day moving average would be a bullish signal and could indicate a reversal of the short-term bearish trend. Finally, it's crucial to stay informed about any upcoming news and events that could impact MSFT's price. For example, if Microsoft announces a new product release or surpasses earnings expectations, the stock price could surge, potentially invalidating the bearish head and shoulders pattern we saw on the daily chart. Remember, technical analysis is just one part of the trading equation. It's essential to combine it with fundamental analysis and your own risk tolerance when making trading decisions. Thank you for joining us on Explain the Charts and happy trading.